Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Command Prompt as administrator now. This gives you permission to query hardware. First, list drives so you know the index and model. Run wmic disk drive get model name index. Once you see the drive line that matches your SSD, keep that terminal open and note the index number. This setup prevents querying the wrong device. It also ensures serial queries return device-specific results rather than generic or cached entries. Next, query the SSD serial directly with wmic to get a reliable hardware ID. Type wmic disk drive where index equals X get serial number, model, replace X with the index you noted. You'll get the serial string paired with the model so you can verify it's the correct drive. Once done, select and copy the serial from the CMD window. Avoid editing characters. If the output shows multiple entries, repeat with the specific index until you isolate the target SSD. Finally, verify the serial by cross-checking it in disk management or your manufacturer's tool so you're certain it matches. If wmic returns a blank or generic serial, switch to PowerShell. Run get physical disk format list friendly name, serial number to attempt another hardware level read. Make sure to record the serial exactly for warranty or support. If problems persist, update storage controller drivers and retry. Outdated drivers often block accurate serial reporting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.